Tails, what's wrong, buddy?
I can't get any customers in my food truck.
Tails, you haven't opened the food truck yet.
Really?
Well, duh, that's why I have no customers.
Darn it! I knew I was forgetting something.
You haven't even made any food yet. So if you did open to the public, there wouldn't even be any food to sell.
Sonic, I need someone who can cook. Someone who loves their job and is willing to work for free. And someone stupid enough to cook this crap.
SpongeBob?
No, Sonic, we can't use him. We'll get sued by Viacom.
Oh, right. Maybe I can be your fry cook?
That's a stupid idea. Wait, I have a good idea. Why not you be my fry cook?
But Tails, it's exactly what I said.
Shut it, moron, and get to flipping those patties.
Okay, but you have to wait outside the truck for a sec.
Okay.
Alright, time to make my move in the fast food world. Okay, Tails, you can come back now.
Really? You're done already? Wow! This is great, Sonic! How'd you make such wonderful food?
All it took was a little elbow grease, and deep frying grease, and elbow oil, and deep frying oil.
Ew, that's really gross. I hope you didn't put that in the food.
Tails, I didn't put elbow grease in the food. Now let's get going. We have lots of customers to... Where are the customers?
Remember, Sonic, I haven't opened yet.
Oh, right. Well, let's open this joint.
Yeah! Let's do it. And scam people from their money.
Yeah, let's... Wait, what'd you say?
I didn't say anything.
Tails. 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 Tails.
What?
You want to know the really cool thing about all this?
What? What is it?
I can make myself a snack if I get hungry.
Yeah, but anything we eat comes out of your paycheck.
Tails, I don't get a paycheck. You expect me to work for free, remember?
Oh, right. Yes, right.
What are you two idiots doing?
Ah, Shadow, you scared the crap out of me.
Maybe we could sell that for a quick buck.
What?
I didn't say anything.
What kind of disgusting grease trap is this?
This grease trap, you reality warping cretin, is actually my food stand.
Would you like some? They're all handmade from scratch by me. Me, Sonic the Hedgehog. Yep, me.
Well, first of all, I wouldn't buy anything made by Sonic the Hedgehog. And second of all, you tried to outright sell feces. Why would I ever buy it from you?
Because, it gives me money.
Tails, is this another one of your money-grabbing schemes?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Just like last time where you tried to rob a bank, and then try to blame it on me.
Well, you've robbed a bank before. It's not like they would know that.
Yeah, I'm still angry at you for last time.
Shadow, you know you want some food. It's only $1.
Tails, it states in the employee manual that actually every single food item is either 12 or under.
Stuff it up your pie hole, Sonic.
Do you morons really think I'm that stupid?
Well, I sure do.
Well, I'm not buying.
Woohoo! Lover boy, I want something to eat. Cha-ching!
Oh, please don't tell me someone's gonna actually eat this slop.
Of course I am. I'm really hungry, you know.
Well, help yourself. Everything's either $1 or over.
You said 12 and
Did not. He didn't read the handbook correctly. Yes.
I do assume that he didn't read it correctly. It should be saying 12 and over.
How did you know?
Because he just said it, Fox Boy.
Darn, I've been bamboozled again. Can I have my food now? Oh, why, thank you. I am so happy.
Ugh, that's disgusting.
Oh boy, I'm rich.
Oh boy, I'm...
Hey, stupid, I wouldn't eat that if I were you.
And why not?
Because these same hooligans were thinking on selling Sonic's feces. You know, his doo-doo, his poop.
He's a feces.
Shut it, moron! Well, I can only take so much stupidity for one day. Goodbye, everybody. See you all in therapy.
Well, at least you won't be bullying us, you big jerk. Leave us to our fast food. Whoa.
Did someone say fast food?
Yeah, I did. And Why did you come back?
Do you idiots even realize what you've gotten yourselves into? Do you even... I used to work at fast food. I used to work at McDonald's.
Oh, really? I thought you worked at Hot Top.
Oh, hardy har har! Listen, fools. The fast food business isn't for everyone. It's only for the most hardcore of people.
Well, such as yourself?
Exactly, you idiot! Stay away from fast food. I'm warning you.
Yeah, whatever. Goodbye. Leave me to my money now.
Idiots.
Let the montage begin.
Hello, good sir. You seem to be having some... food, I assume?
Yes, sir. We have lots of food.
Great, so you're at McDonald's then, right? Can I have a McRib?
Yeah, wait, what? No, we're not McDonald's. We're just a regular food stand.
I see. Are you at McDonald's now?
No.
How about now?
No.
How about now?
No, sir. We are not at McDonald's. Please go away.
Now? Alright then.
Hello. Hello, sir. What would you like? Me want drink. Yes. What kind of drink? Diet Coke. Yeah, Diet Coke? Yes. Okay. I asked for a mini Coke. And with the Diet Coke. Mini Coke. Diet Mini Coke. But it's a Diet Kelp. I don't want kelp. Kelp is gross. I'm so sorry about that, sir. Sonic, you idiot! What did you put in the drink?
Kelp!
Why did you put kelp in the drink?
I thought it would help the flavor. Hello, do you sell garlic?
No, we do not sell garlic. But wait, we have several other foods. We can get you those.
Hello, my buddy Sparks is at table number 5. I'm gonna order for him. Do you have any, butterflies? Sir, why would we sell butterflies? It's what he eats. I'm not really hungry, I don't want anything. But he wants butterflies.
Sir, please take a look at our menu.
Oh, no butterflies. Okay, carry on then.
Why are people wanting either garlic or butterflies? Butterflies isn't even a food. At least garlic's a food.
Hello, do you have any, mushrooms?
Oh, come on!
Okay, I can see that you don't really want any company right now. I'm just going to go. Bye.
Hey, well, do you have any... do you have any, food for my waifu? No, I do not have any food for your waifu. Okay, you do not have to be mean to me. I've had enough of the fast food business.
Jeez, calm down, Tails. It's okay. We'll just take a break, and then we can rake in more money tomorrow.
What do you mean, more money? We haven't even made any money today.
Of course you did. We sold to that one person.
I don't even remember getting any money from her. I think she stole it.
Oh, yeah, that's bad.
You're right, Sonic. We'll make money tomorrow, because there won't be any stupid customers.
Ooh, food. What does it say? Food for sale. It is free. Take as much as you want. I can't read, but that sounds really good.
Ah, Knuckles!
Hey guys, can I borrow this?
Borrow what?
Oh, just the whole thing.
No! Sonic, we have to get the heck out of here!
We have to get the heck
We have to get the heck out of here!
Well, why didn't you just say so?
Let's get out of here!
Wait! Come back! Now I know why they call it fast food.
Go get directions!
Oh! Ow! Oh!
Oh no, we've hit a wall! Sonic, move forward!
I'm afraid I can't do that, Tails.
Why not?
Because we've hit a wall, obviously.
Well, I turned the other direction. Ah, he's here!
I made it! Can I borrow this for a sec?
Sure, Knuckles. Oh, thanks.
No! Sonic, jump out! It's too late for us!
Delicious.
No, you idiot! My entire life savings were in that food truck! No! Well, I guess we're doomed.
Well, I actually have something to confess.
What?
I really wanted to get paid.
Oh, boo-hoo! I had my entire life savings stolen!
So you couldn't pay me even if you wanted to?
Well, obviously I don't want to, but I couldn't even if I did!
You went from trying to open a business that would get you money to having no money. That's sad.
Tails, get up. Dust yourself off. Stop crying.
I'm not crying!
Of course you are. Anyway, I think it's time I told you the real story.
The real story of what?
The story of why I don't work at McDonald's anymore, you nitwit. I'm telling you this story because you didn't heed my warning.
You didn't give us a warning!
Of course I did. I told you not to meddle in with fast food.
It's not my fault! I wanted money!
Ugh. Anyway, let me tell you this story. I used to work at McDonald's when the Ark was blown up. I needed to work a job somehow without the humans seeing me. So I put on a clever disguise and worked just like any other human. One day this fat jerk was asking for 14 Big Macs.
So this is just a regular day at McDonald's?
Haha, very funny. Anyways, I went to the bathroom so I could relax for a minute to take the disguise off until I was spotted by the fat guy.
No, not the fat guy!
You were spotted by Eggman?
No, that was after I was put inside of the containment facility. Anyway, this guy called the cops, and then the same gun soldiers that killed Maria came to take me. And they
what?
They put me in the containment facility.
Oh dear, that's awful. Oh no, that's so sad. Wow.
But it's true!
So besides being boring as all heck, what'd that have to do with the dangers of fast food?
Because you can't trust the customers. The customers are never right. The customers are your worst enemy.
Oh, is that why I was barraged the whole time? And I was barraged by those idiots, and I hated it.
Yes, that is exactly why. Of course, I have long since put humanity's awful deeds behind me, but I'll never forget that one guy that turned me in. He is the single human that I want to die more than anyone else. I hope the guy kicks the bucket. I hope he kicks the bucket and dies of diabetes.
Jeez, Shadow, that's really dark.
Isn't that basically my only personality trait?
Yeah, pretty much. Well, now I know my lesson.
Don't try to scam people for money?
No, you idiot. Don't go into the fast food business. I'm still gonna scam people for money, though. Next time, I'll make a game company that puts microtransactions in every single game they release.
Oh, cool. I'm on board with that.
Some idiots never learn.